And the puppy named Scooby. Scooby's like, man, I didn't sign up for this. I did not sign up for puppy sitting. What's that? What is that thing? What is that thing? Oh, I almost dropped my phone. What is that, Scoob? He's like, that's an asshole in my cage. Get down. Bless you, I think. Bless you, I think. What matter? You scaring him? Sir? You big ass fluff ball. I know, he's a fluff ball. He a fluff ball. Yeah! Let's go, boys! Come on! Yeah! What is that? That's a goat. That's a goat. You can't jump up, bud. It ain't that cold out. It ain't that cold. Scoob's like, I'm out. Scoob! Come on! Scooby! Alright, you done? Alright, come on then.